Hey Gideon, here, Teach made it.
It's hard. Yeah. 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 My blunt bigger than you. Not for real, this rap shit bigger than me. I can teach you how to move, let me give you the key. I can teach you how to get, but you gotta say please. Let me show you how to stalk it out and sit on the street. Let me show you how to draw down and make a nigga draw down. I ain't never been a rest, so I don't come on these notes. I ain't call a bitch, honey, I ain't never been a beat. Let me show you how to do this and show you how to do that. Leave your phone, put the gloves on your hands when you scoot it. I can show you how to pull a couple holes in this do-rag. You hop out the car, shoot at everything, when you gon' sleep. When I slide, cover up my tattoo. Go back and get high and wait on a bad note. Then do it again if they ain't take a loop. If they ain't take an L, then we bring it up to you. I can show you how to get away with 150 shells. Just go by yourself, make sure nobody chill. I hate when niggas shoot when nobody there. When it's smoking this bitch, then we clearing the air. Know we pull your blood, let it ring like a bell. Can't escape when we beef, I got killers in jail. We go hard with the MacBooks, never had deals. You standing in the trap, fun, never make sales. Yeah, I like these beats. Rolling, spinning on they block, tryna see if they totin'. Niggas big with snitches, got a block full of rodents. They was tryna slip, we came through and we woken. Glock got a dick, no safety, no Trojan. I don't think you hit, we get you hit for what you post. We don't care if it take 10 years, we still on. Drop blue tape, I was locked in Arizona. No fake, no case, them folks closing the closet. Don't wanna race, got Usain in my motor. Big Chucky chain, put the pain on my shoulder. Ain't ducking nobody gang, you ain't tryna hold it. I die for my gang, never change on my clothes. They don't go for everybody, still do your ass bogus. Good, take it to the spot, stick you up, we don't know your ass up. Stick you up, we don't know